Hello students, have a good day. Now I am again here to help you prepare your science subject. Okay. In last class we were discussed about what? Chapter 1, crop production and its management, in which we will discuss about crops and what is management and types of crops and little introduction about agriculture practice. Okay, today we will revise last class and then we will start new topics, steps involving in agriculture practice. Okay, so let's get. As in last class we started chapter 1, crop production and its management, in which we will study about what? Production of crops by farmers and its management. Understood? In last class we were completed few topics, okay, which we will revise again. Okay, and first was what are crops? Okay, when plants of same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale is called crops. Okay, when growing of same plants in a large area on a large scale, these are known as crops. Like crops of wheat means in the field all plants will be wheat only. These are known as crops. And second was management. What is management? After production of crops, storage, use and protection of crops are known as crop management. Understood? Means after production of crops, how it is using, how it is protecting, how it is storing, these all are known as management of crops. Next topic was agriculture. What is agriculture? The process of growing crops on a large scale by farmer is known as agriculture. Understood? And next was types of crops. First was kharif crop and second is rabi crop. First, crops which are grown in rainy seasons called kharif crops. Example, paddy, maize, cotton, etc. And second is rabi crops which grown in winter season is known as rabi crops. Example, wheat, gram, pea, etc. And last, I given you homework in which you have to write what? Crops definition of agriculture, and you have to complete what? This table. I hope you all completed your homework. Okay, so let's start new topics for today. And today our new topic is basic practice of crop production. Okay, basic practice of crop production or agriculture practice, in which we will discuss about how farmers take care of his crops and how farmers are trying to growing crops very well. Understood? Cultivation of crops involves several steps undertaken by farmers over a period of time. These steps doing by farmer are referred as agriculture practice. Okay? Before explaining, I want to explain you the meaning of cultivation. Cultivation meaning is when farmer trying to care of his crops and trying to grows a crop very well. Okay, now I am explaining this. Cultivation of crop involves several things, which means when farmers are trying to grow a crop, they have to do lots of things for betterment growth of crops. Understood? Like several steps are involving in this, in which they are ploughing the soil, these are the following steps or activities which comes under what? Agriculture practice. Understood? First is preparations of soil, in which farmers trying to loosen the soil by various tools. Understood? Second is sowing. Sowing means scattering of seed on earth or spreading of seed on earth. Understood? Next is adding manure and fertilizer. For making soil more fertile, farmers are adding manures and fertilizer. Manures means in Hindi they are known as khad, and fertilizer which is chemicals, generally urea. Okay. And next is irrigation. Irrigation word refers to the supply of waters to land or crops for better growth of crops. Next is protection from weeds. Weeds is an extra plant which grown in crop fields which need to remove by farmers. Okay. And next is harvesting. After ripening of food, farmers need to gathering the all crops. Okay, this process is known as harvesting. After production of crops, last step is storage of crops. How farmers are save their crops from rodents and other things. This is known as what? Storage. Understood? Now we will discuss points. Okay, first is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil. It is first step in crop production in which farmers try to loosen the soil, because in loosened soil roots penetrate deeply into the soil. In this process, what farmers are trying to loosen the soil, upper layer of soils, by various tools like plow, hoe, cultivator, etc. Understood? Now we will discuss why loosen of soil is essential. Okay, the loosened soil help in growth of earthworms and microbes because they are friends of farmers. The earthworms are friends of farmers because they help in productions of nutrient layer of soil, humus. Okay. And next is it is essential to make soil loosen because soil contains minerals, water, airs and some living organisms. By losing soil, these are materials easily absorbed by plants. Understood? After loosening the soils, all materials present in soils are easily absorbed by plants, which is essential for growth of plant. The process of loosening the soil is called tilling or plowing the soil. Understood? This is important definition. The process of loosening the soil is called tilling or plowing the soil. Next we will discuss about agriculture implements, means the tools which involve in the agriculture practice. Okay, first is plow. Okay, this is being used by farmers since ancient time for tilling the soil. It is very ancient tool which is used by farmers, okay, for tilling the soil. In Hindi is known as hal. Okay, this implement is made up of wood and drawn by pair of bulls or other animals. It is made up of wood and iron and drawn by other animals like bulls, camels, horse. Okay, I will show you the picture of plow for easily understanding. As you can see, it is plow with two pair of bull and farmer, and here it's the wooden part is known as plow. This is plow. Okay, the plow. Next is hoe. Hoe, it is also a simple tool which is used for tilling the soil. I will show you picture after discussing one more implement. Okay. Cultivator. Nowadays in present day, plowing is done by tractor driven cultivator because it is time saving. Have you ever seen the cultivator? I will show you in diagram, okay, for easily understanding. Let's see. As you can see, it is hoe which is used for tilling the soil, okay, in which grip, handle, bent plate, rod, beams are present. Now see, it is Cultivator, in which one tractor driven by a farmer. C, it is cultivator. Okay, which is driven by tractor by farmer. Now it is homework time. You have to do what? You have to write this all steps of agriculture practice, and you have to write definitions also, and you have to learn it. Okay, note this into your copy. Okay, for today it is sufficient. We will discuss more steps in next classes. Have a nice day. Bye.